much future when I left the Christian Brothers School. So I waved a goodbye with a wistful smile and left the girls of two. Sometimes when I'm reminiscing, I see the prefabs of my old friends. And I know that they'll be changed or forgot by the time I get home again. And I wish I was on the N17, stone walls and the grass is green. And I wish I was on that N17, stone walls and the grass is green. Traveling with just my thoughts and dreams. old fellow left me to Shannon. It's the last time I travelled that road. And as we turned the tequila away, I could feel a lump in my throat. Pictured it thousands of times and travelled that double track. And I know that things will be different if I ever decide to go back. And I wish I was on that and 17 stone walls and the grass is green. I wish I was on that and 17 stone walls and the grass is green. Traveling with just my thoughts and dreams. Tumble down the highways into my old crowded trains. There's no one to talk to in transit. Oh, think to be daydream fame. Just a handle of problems.
I can still see the twists and turns in the road, from the square to the town and the trains.
Wish I was on that and 70 stone walls and the grass is green. Traveling with just my thoughts and dreams.